Your Lincoln vehicle features automatic high-beam headlamps that provide maximum illumination in low light situations when you're on the road by automatically switching between high and low beams based upon the intensity of light in front of the vehicle. Automatic high beams use advanced image-based technology and a camera located behind the interior rearview mirror to scan the road ahead for oncoming light sources. Now, there are two ways to turn on this feature. The easiest way to access your lighting preference is to select the light bulb icon on the center touchscreen, then select Exterior at the top of the screen. Or you can go to the center touchscreen, select the vehicle icon, then Lighting, and switch your auto high beams to on. You would do the same to turn off the feature. Automatic high beams work when the headlamp controls are in the auto lamp position. If desired, you can override the automatic high beams by pushing the left column stalk away from you to switch the high beams on, or push the stalk away from you again to switch the high beams off. Pushing the stalk away from you a third time will switch automatic high beams back on. Thank you for watching.